So we're talking about the Thailand gem and jewelry industry this year. I think it's a bit tough because of I think you know well they have so many geopolitics, the war in the Gulf area and many which is affect to the production cost, like which is the rising of the material cost. For example, like gold, silver, everything affect to the gem and jewelry industry. But however, Thailand is still, I can say that we are the biggest of supplier on the OEM like product, which is, of course, it will be effect from this environment. However, this is a good time for Thai gem and jewelry industry to stand back and preparing all the necessary for improvement and making a sustainability for the industry. For example, like a GAT trying to provide the training for the posting on the standard compliance. For example, like RJC, like carbon footprint on the industry. We're trying to educate our manufacturer to preparing for this thing to make sustainable for the industry. The precious color stone is still remain. For example, ruby, sapphire, and also emerald. The semi-precious one. Some item also growing very well and, because of the market demand and the trend. For example, like the item like Paraiba or like some Tanzanite and many fragments. The buyer and also the manufacturer also trying to work together to minimize the cost for more affordable for the market. For example, like they reduce the percent of gold from 18 karat to 14, even 9 karat. Like at the same time, silver jewelry is also growing to replacing the gold jewelry by finishing by the plating, gold plating on the silver itself, and also the alternative material. For example, like some manufacturer they moving for titanium. This will be help the industry to have more choice, more alternative for the end consumer, right? And the price will be remain and affordable for the market. I think this is the way that all the industry, all the manufacturing have to think and to create the way for expanding the industry. Alternative material is the most important right now because of the gold price is increasing comparing to last 2-3 years. It's not double, it's 4-5 times increasing, which is very like tough for the gem and jewelry industry. However, the alternative material is helping us a lot. And GAT itself, we are trying to doing many projects. We are going to do the product development with the urban SME people, trying to helping them to generate the new material for the industry. I think this is the way, and then if you come up with a storytelling of the material and also with the craftsmanship, that is the most strength of Thai craftsmanship. If we combine together, it will be help the industry to survive and to maintain the positioning in the market as well. GCC, the Middle East area, which is one of the biggest market. Since they have the war, they have a geopolitics happen. Like this is the way that we also have to consider for the new market. For example, like in the South Africa market, actually people thinking about this market as a supply chain, as a supplier for raw material. But at the same time, right now, this market is also very important for exporting or expanding for the finished good for the jewelry. At the same time, we also considering the ASEAN market, which is very big market. We have a big consumer here who's always travel around the world to looking for the luxury item. this is a good chance for the manufacturing here in Thailand to export for this market. For example, like Indonesia, Philippines, and also the continental in this area. China also very big market for the gem and jewelry industry. Like and they have a very big purchasing power there, and some collector also in this country, right? And Thailand have a lot of resources to serve them. I think this will be the next destination that we have to seriously consider to expand. This year, the business volume of gem and jewelry industry will be maintained. Very difficult to see the growth because of the, the surrounding the environment. However, I hope that this industry at the Thailand is at the hub of gem and jewelry, as everyone know well. We are the biggest market of the color stone. At the same time, also the hub of the manufacturing for the jewelry. Even it affect from the geopolitics or the war, and also the tariff, everything. Like Thailand have a much more competitive advantage in terms of craftsmanship, in terms of stone enhancing and cutting, like which is this is the key issue, key point for developing the gem and jewelry industry. I believe that we still maintain our position in the world market.